Hi. So today we are going to conclude our topic of lenses. Sorry. And we are going to talk about the virtual image today. There are two types of images that can be formed. One is the real image and one is the virtual image. Till now, in the last three parts, we talked about real image, when it is going to get formed, what size it will be if you change the position of the object, etc. Today we are going to study about that when your virtual image is actually going to get formed. Let's take the example. This is the lens. Okay. And let's say these are the focus points or focus principles. And here you are placing up your object. And let's say now your object is 15 centimeters and your principal focus is, let's say it's 25 centimeters. All right. Okay. So now if you see that in the previous example, either your object was here, or here, right? But it was not passing through the focus in the previous example, when the real image was getting formed. But now it is passing through it, and this is the condition when you are going to get your image as virtual image. Okay? Now let's see how the virtual image is actually going to get produced. So a ray of light is going to again hit in the center, same theory, and it will be just reflected like this. And the second point was what? That it has to pass through the focus and then it is going to get like parallel and stuff. Okay? But here the focus point is over here, which is behind. So how it is going to get past? You need to go from here, but your focus is behind. So our brain has the ability to process it, that where the light is actually coming from. Okay? So the light is actually coming from, it has to pass through the focus, right? And with the object like this. So the previous light ray, our brain can process that it is actually coming from here. So it is going to go in the middle and it will go straight. As you know that your eye will be observing over here that where the image is going to get produced. But right now both rays, this and this, are not getting, intersected where you can actually see or form an image. So our brain will process now that where this light is coming from, where this ray is coming from, and then it is going to extend it. Okay? So it is going to extend it here, and this point it will get extended here. So this is the point where you are going to get your image. There are many observations which you can see from here. A. The image formed is not inverted. Yeah, it is upright. So image is upright. Image formed is virtual. Why I'm saying virtual? Because the image is not formed in this area where your eye was. It is formed on an other side. So that's why my image is also virtual. My image is also magnified, if you'll see. Yeah? It is magnified. This was the object and this is the image. So it is quite big as compared to the object. See? So let's calculate first that where it is, what is the location where the image is forming, which is S dash. So S dash is equals to SF over S minus F. S dash is equals to 15 minus 25 over, 15 multiplied. 15 multiplied by 25 over 15 minus 25. Yeah? So if I calculate this, my S dash is coming out to be minus 37.5 centimeters. Okay? Can you see that now your image is forming minus 37.5? Whenever you are going to get your image is forming at minus something location, you should know that it is behind the focus principal, and principal focus, it's behind the principal focus, and it has to be a virtual image. Now if you talk about the magnification, let's see that how much magnified your image is. It is minus 37.5 over 15, which is equals to 2.5. Can you see this minus this? Can you see that it is a positive number now. Positive magnification actually means that now your image will be upright, and it will not be inverted. Like the minus sign before was telling you that the image is inverted. Right now, it is telling, the positive sign is telling you that it will be upright. Okay, like it is forming over here. It is magnified, and it's how much magnified? 2.5 times more than the object placed here. Okay, and it is a virtual image, and it is upright. These are the questions which are like, they can ask you in like MCQs, or they can ask you to draw popular question in paper 6 as well, to draw such situations. So you should know all the 4 cases. Thank you so much.